In the course of a day, there are as many of these as there are grains of sand on the beach. This is just one of them.
Hi, I'm Engineer Dave. I was watching a squirrel walk across the road the other day, and he was moving kind of slowly, and I thought maybe he was a senior citizen of some sort. He had a ratted tail and everything, and it made me wonder, what do animals do when they get old? I mean, it's not like you hear a squirrel, grunting as he leaps onto the wall. Ugh! Or a bird who's been flying, all winded. What do they do? What are they like? Certainly not like us, huh? Well, that's the thought of the Dave. Thanks for listening. Oh, jeez. Ow! Oh, that hurt.
Hey, I just had a thought.